everyone. I'm Stacie Spradlin, and I'm here representing AQS this week for Quilt Week. I'm one of the instructors here this week in the long arm room, and we're having a lot of fun. One thing I also want you to realize about your long arm quilt machine is that it's not just for quilting quilts, right, that we hang on the wall or use on our beds or give as gifts. I am really proud of the current new project that I have just done. I've just finished the courtside pattern for my pickleball bag. The pattern is from By Annie. I have pre-quilted all the components on my long arm and then assembled it on my domestic machine. But as you can see here, the bag stands up by itself, and that's because of the batting that I used in the bag. It's called Soft and Stable, and yes, it is thick, and yes, it will stand up on its own. But these machines are made to even go through something like this. So don't just limit yourself to quilts. Think a little bit outside the box and see what else your long arm can do for you.